Hi, I'm Anyhauu, and today I'm going to talk about something juicy, something liquid, but definitely something safe. If not, I will not be allowed to come on this stage. So what's that? Something juicy. They have 8 to 20% APY past year. Something pretty liquid, like there's like 1.6 billion, more than 1.6 billion in the market, in the pool now. And also something pretty safe. The market is very volatile, but this token somehow stay quite safe and stable. There's only one LP token on chain, which is JLP, juicy, liquid, and safe. So I think I finished all my point. Maybe that's the end of my talk. No, I'm just kidding. So for those who don't know, JLP is an LP token that consists of 4 tokens: BTC, Ethereum, Sol, USDC. And it generates yield by providing the liquidity for the trading activities such as like Perps, swap, and loan. And then there are also 3 updates today I want to talk about. The 3 independent one, the juicy, liquid, and safe. Let's start with the juicy one. So there are around 500 million USDC in the JLP pool, but sadly, we didn't get any yield or reward for the JLP pool. But JupUSD will be added into JLP soon, and all the yield will be injected back into the JLP pool. The next one, liquid. So JLP Loan is one of the best place to loan USDC used by collateralized JLP on Solana. It is 90% max loan to value ratio, which means you can borrow up to 90% of your collateral. And the liquidation is 95%. So which means when your loan reaches 95% of your collateral, then you will get liquidated. And it has one of the lowest liquidation penalty on all the Solana, which is like 2%. But there's one main problem of this one. During JLP loan liquidation, your whole loan will be liquidated at once. We'll take everything from you. But that's going to change today. We're introducing JLP loan partial liquidation, and it's live today. So partial liquidation will reduce the position just enough to bring the LTV back to a safe level. So rather than from 95% to 0, it's 95% to 90%. And then I believe this will make the JLP loan a lot more attractive and safe. The last update I want to share about safe. So this JLP USDC token graph is pretty safe and steady. But what if I want to make it more steady? I want to apply German engineering into it to make it safe and stable. So today we are also introducing JLP Delta Neutral. So through JLP Delta Neutral, JLP fee can be earned without directional price risk by implementing hedging into the risky token. So in the pool, the Sol, Ethereum, BTC will be hedged on the other exchange to make sure even when the market is volatile, you still get the fee. And we are working with Neutral Trade on this one. Neutral Trade is one of the best on-chain strategy marketplace on Solana. And you know that they are one of the first few protocols that already implement JLP Delta Neutral last year. I still remember when they start implementing the protocol, we talked for months because they want to make sure all the final details, all the final number are correct and then hedge properly. So the JLP Delta Neutral is live on jup.sg/perps. Do try it today. Thank you.